Alrighty y'all, so I'm back with another video. I kind of wanted to make this a quick video. So I just wanted to go over the results again for this current account that I'm working on. As you can see, the account is now up a total of 6.16%. It has profit balance of $3,013.70. Looks like it just updated for me too. So this is currently our equity curve here. As you can see. Oh, and that's really cool too. I've never actually looked at this statistic right here, the drawdown, 7.16% in total on this account. Let's see. So one of the things that I wanted to go over is just kind of the total, I guess, gain for the month. So we're sitting at 4.06%. We've now doubled what we did in January. Let's see here again. And something I also wanted to highlight is that there was a trade that was entered in yesterday on the 10th, as you can see here, and the close date ended up being today, this morning. So basically I'm trying to show the range in which, the trades may, the range in time that the trades may take to complete, for lack of words. So 45 seconds was our first initial trade. Then we had a trade that lasted for an hour and 46 minutes. Two that lasted for only 2 minutes. Another one that took around 7 hours and 15 minutes. Another one that was pretty much a day, took 24 hours. And then again this morning, took another 24 hours to complete. This was a buy sell, and I'm gonna pull up the chart right here to see to show how this trade actually played out. But it did take a full 24 hours, so it's kind of something that I want to just kind of stress if you're using the bot and you're not one that is, privy to the market. You're just, you're looking for passive income, just so that you are prepared and kind of understand that this strategy, basically the range in time, the range in duration can range from literally as quickly as 45 seconds upwards of a day, or 5 days as we saw in the last account. So I did close this account on the prop firm just because I didn't really like where it was. I already closed out of that account and I'm not gonna open it back up again. But I closed it on the prop firm account when it was kind of pushing down here, as you can see. So the trade got in upwards of here. It's showing that it's on the green open triangle represents when the trade, which represents that the trade was open at this time. The trade got in around up here, so it was in quite a bit of drawdown. As you can see here on the chart, it was in drawdown up until around 9 o'clock. That's when the market began to reverse, and so we've seen this push up here so far since 9 o'clock last night. So the bot did go ahead and close this morning around 8:30. It did go for 5 pips as it's designed to do, and as you can see, the market has continued to push upwards. So on this demo account, what we're looking at today, it generated, I guess, because we did have a swap fee on this brokerage account of $104, which is quite a bit. The fee, is always going to be $90, $70. Actually, it looks like they went up on fees. And that's quite interesting. They went up $20 on fees. That's kind of wild. Or maybe no, it's been $90 for the last current. That man, these people are crazy. So anywho, this man done raised his fees up by $20. But anywho, $90 fee, $104 on the swap. So the net profit and loss was $346. We're now sitting on this particular account at $4,741.60. So overall, looking pretty good. So just wanted to go over that, and again, just kind of stress that if you are using the Forex Rain robot and you are using the no stop loss strategy, the trades will range, from as little as 45 seconds onwards or upwards of an entire day. sometimes even, an entire week. So how does this look on the actual MetaTrader 4 platform? So as you can see, this is where we got out at on that push up. That's where it got into its 5 pips. So that was exactly at 8:09 this morning, 8:08, 8:09 this morning. And if we open it up a little bit, again, you can kind of see here. I can kind of zoom in. There we go. So you can see it a little bit better there. So as you can see, the stop loss was down here, and gave the trade enough room to breathe and enough room to go ahead and execute. So very, very happy with this. And as you can see, it is now in line with that 200 SMA right there. So we're looking pretty good. $3,013.70 on this particular demo account. And on here, we're sitting at, again, $4,741.60. And this is, see what we have on the month here on this account. So on the month for February, we're sitting at $2,560. You've definitely been able to pay the rent and pay all of your, all the things that you need to do. And as for the year, again, on the year, we're actually sitting a little bit down. So I guess this is a little bit of a carryover last year. So, anywho, that's what we're sitting at on the year. So, anywho, as you can see on the year over here, we're sitting at $3,080. This month, we're sitting at $2,070. And today, again, we basically achieved another 5 pip win, coming out to be a 0.95% gain on the account, $500 in profit. And again, that is what the equity curve is looking like right there. And as you can see, the balance kind of just moving up from there. So very, very nice stuff. And my best trade is still $510. The average win is $548. And the average trade length has now increased to 8 hours and 5 minutes. So that's the average amount of time that you would be sitting waiting for the trade to complete. So those are the stats for this for today. I did want to get in here and just kind of show how that trade, took a bit of time. And so I'm looking at that other trade, and the other trade took, 24 hours as well, represented by, right there. So so it may take upwards of, an entire day if the market decides to retrace into, a particular order block or whatnot. So just be mindful of that. Again, if you would like to purchase the Rainforex robot, you can for $950. If you'd like to test it out, you can do so on the MQL5 marketplace. Or if you'd like to pay month to month, you can do so as well for $95 a month. And we also do have Afterpay available if you'd like to pay over time for the Rainforex robot. Alrighty, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope it was valuable and you gained some sort of insight into how the Rainforex robot works. Again, please, if you'd like to purchase the Rainforex robot, go ahead and do so. And if you could for me, please hit the like and the subscribe button if you feel like it, as that does help push these videos through the algorithm. That is how it works. So anywho, I will be back in the next one. Bye-bye.